Welcome to HeatSign. Today we are walking you through a complete tutorial on how to use our horizontal green laser crystal engraving machine for both text and 2D photo engraving. Let's start with text engraving. First, plug in the power and turn on the machine. Once it's booted up, connect to the internet. You can easily transfer your text content directly to the engraver using your smartphone. Next, measure the dimensions of your blank crystal. Width and length need be smaller than crystal size. The medium thickness setting refers to the actual thickness of the crystal. Start the engraving process. The green laser works internally, leaving the surface perfectly smooth. And here's our final crisp text result. Now let's move on to 2D photo engraving. Just like before, ensure the power supply is connected and the machine is turned on. Connect to the internet and transfer your chosen 2D photo from your smartphone to the engraver. Measure your crystal's dimensions accurately. Width and length need be smaller than crystal size. Set medium thickness to the actual thickness of the crystal. Hit start and watch the engraving process. The laser maps the 2D photo beautifully inside the glass. Here's the stunning final result. Our green laser technology makes custom crystal engraving simple and efficient. Contact us today to learn more.